Hello Ranjani Gayatri. What is Raga Shiksha?
Raga Shiksha is our initiative where we mentor students in person. It is going to be a short term learning session on any given topic. It will be on a specific topic and it is going to be an intense session.
So, Raga Shiksha Abhangs. You're teaching Abhangs for the first time. Why are you teaching in the US and why Abhangs?
Abhangs has been one of the most requested uh, sessions from us. As you know, it's a beloved part of our repertoire. And after so many years of getting these requests, we finally couldn't resist. And we are doing our first in person Raga Shiksha session on Abhangs in the Bay Area.
Where is it going to be held?
Raga Shiksha for the first time is going to be held on 27 July in Milpitas.
What can the participants expect to learn?
Abhang, the song, the soul, and the technique. Of course, it will have a few abhangs that we will cover. How do you handle pronunciation, the accent, the stress, the soul? How do you experience and express the devotional fervor, the melodic tapestry that lies in an abhang? The technique, aspects of voice, tonality, how do you create spaces for expressional beauty, for creative improvisations that lend each abang rendition a refreshing, unique flavor?
What is expected of the participants?
This time we have tailored this session to encompass a wide range of students. So, all you need is the passion to learn. That's it.
What will be the format of these sessions?
This is an in person session which will happen in a formal classroom setting, and we will engage intimately with this small group of students.
Why only the Bay Area? What about the other cities?
Bay Area is going to be our first in-person Raga Siksha session. But as and when the interest is there in other cities, we will take it there as well.
Zani Marni